So basically, when we first meet the students, you basically have to reiterate that they're going to learn how to build a house.
They're going to be having hands-on experience with us, and plus we're just going to give everything, the tools and the experience that they need in terms of how to use the power tools, how to use the hand tools, and just the basic all-around carpentry experience.
Right from the very start to understanding how to get to that end point. So developing set out, understanding your site cut, your elevations, setting out your subfloor, and then getting your plans and working off your plans and dimensions and flicking lines, and then working from there to constructing frames onto the roof, and then we move inside to fixing out. You've got a purpose-built facility that allows you to construct or simulate what you'd find on a job site.
Be curious. If you want to learn things, ask questions. If you don't ask me, I can't tell you. But if you're curious, you'll do well because you want to know. You want to know why you're doing things and how do I do it better. This is the place to learn and make your mistakes because it's not costing you money. We're here to teach you. If you muck it up, doesn't matter. No, we just learn each time.
And how have you found the course itself?
Really good. The trainers are amazing. They spend so much time with us, like with the practical stuff, just to make sure we're getting it right. And they're very patient.
I was looking for some challenge and I really like construction in general. So yeah, I thought I'll give it a try. So yeah, enjoying it. Looks surprisingly like in such a short time, how quickly they're going to teach us everything rather than we're doing in 4 years. Yeah, this is kind of really surprises me.
And would you recommend TIV to other students?
Yeah, definitely, yes. I did Cert 4 with them last year in buildings construction. So the ultimate goal is to get a builder's license.
Just get into it, have a go, and yeah, definitely apply. If you're a female, go for it. Highly recommend this as a place to study as a female.
I would basically say that don't think about it, join in, and you will have the best time over here.